If humans were to suddenly disappear from Earth, the world would undergo significant changes across various aspects, impacting the environment, wildlife, infrastructure. Scenario involves imagining the effects of human absence over time. Immediate impact. The initial moments after human disappearance would be marked by eerie stillness. Lights in cities would fade as power grids fail due to lack of maintenance, without humans to operate water treatment. Plants, pumps, and infrastructure systems would shut down, in some areas and drought in others. Animals in captivity, reliant on human care, would struggle to survive. Pets and livestock would be left to fend for themselves, and some might perish due to starvation or inability to adapt. Short-term effects, months to years. In the absence of human maintenance, natural processes would start to reclaim urban areas. Vegetation would grow unchecked, breaking through roads and buildings. Wildlife would significant changes, with domesticated animals either returning to a feral. Nuclear power plants and other industrial facilities would pose risks. Without human there could be incidents, leading to radioactive leaks and nature would begin to heal. Without industrial pollution and human disturbance, air quality would improve, and wildlife population. Medium-term effects, years to decades. Structures made of concrete, steel, and glass would begin to deteriorate. The absence of maintenance would lead to the gradual collapse of buildings and infrastructure. Urban areas would transform into green spaces as vegetation takes over. Animals would adapt to new environments, reclaiming territories. Coastal cities would be affected by rising sea levels and natural erosion, as human-made barriers and maintenance. Long-term effects, centuries to millennia. Human artifacts, from plastics to concrete structures, would endure for a long time but would gradually be broken down by natural processes. Wildlife would continue to evolve and adapt to the changing environments, potentially leading to the emergence of new species. The absence of human intervention would allow for the natural regeneration of forests, the reclamation of farmland by wilderness, and the flourishing of. However, some human impacts might persist for millennia. For instance, nuclear waste and chemicals could remain hazardous for thousands of years, posing risks to the conclusion. The disappearance of humans from Earth would lead to significant ecological, infrastructural, and evolutionary changes. Nature would gradually reclaim the planet, and wildlife would adapt to the absence of human interference. However, while the Earth would regenerate in many ways, certain human legacies, such as environmental pollutants and nuclear hazards, continue to impact the planet for a long time.